good condition, but it might have minor scratch.
It's almost cutting my hair off.
She's gonna have a hard time.
Yeah, it's up to you. I mean,
I can't grab her.
if it were me, I'd probably shoot him an email and let him know what I found and just see if he'd refund part of it, you know?
Can you grab them? Can you grab Kenya? Can you? Don't do that.
I wish I brought my camera.
She's gonna jump up and get it. No!
Get your nose out of there.
Try to grab the dog.
Controls are very
Just wait.
Leave the dog alone.
Yeah, just leave her alone.
Put him in the bathroom. Deandra said to put her in the bathroom. But I can't get her.
She'll be fine. You're crazy.
This is how you take the dog for a walk.
She keeps falling off the couch.
It's driving her crazy.
Here.
I don't think you want to launch that far, can you?
Hi.
Get it, can you?
Whoa! Sorry, guys.